Thinking of going electric but worried about the cost? What if I told you there's a way to drive a brand new EV and pay less tax? Stick around, we're diving into salary sacrifice schemes for electric cars, and no, it's not as scary as it sounds. Salary sacrifice is basically swapping a slice of your salary for the keys to a brand new EV. Instead of paying tax on that bit of income, your company use it to lease an electric car for you. Simple. So, you save money before your pay gets taxed, and your employer sorts the lease. It's like a cycle to work scheme, just with 200 plus miles of range and heated seats. Here's a quick example. A used Tesla Model 3 might cost £300 a month, but if you're on a 20% tax rate, you'd only pay £240 under salary sacrifice. On 40%, that drops to £180. You do pay a small benefit in kind tax, but for EVs, it's just 2% of the car's value. And yes, that's one of the lowest BIC rates on the road right now. Here's what you get with most salary sacrifice schemes. No upfront payment, fixed monthly cost, servicing, MOT and repairs included, insurance often included, lower tax bills, and yep, all for a shiny used EV. For employers, just as appealing. Fewer national insurance contributions, a great perk to attract staff, and it shows you're investing in a greener future. Here's the fun part. Salary sacrifice works for used EVs too. You still get all the same benefits, but the car costs less, which means even more savings. Just keep in mind, you usually pick from a pre-approved list based on what your employer's scheme allows. So no, you can't roll in on Monday asking for a used Porsche, but a Nissan Leaf or a Hyundai Kona Electric, very doable. If you're looking for a smarter way to go electric, salary sacrifice might be the easiest route. Lower tax, lower monthly costs, less maintenance stress, and you might even afford a nicer EV than you thought. And let's be honest, saving the planet is cool, but saving cash while doing it, that's cooler. Want to see what used EVs are available on salary sacrifice? Head to CarSupermarket.com and chat to our team. We'll help you find the right car and the right scheme for your lifestyle.